Going back to the second half. There's a foul. Stephen. Basket by kay Stephen Legarda. Let's go, Xavier. Defense. Ayan na. Para extra pass. Kitang-kita yun. Libreng-libre for easy two by Serafica. Let's go, Bauer. Torres, Ceci. Torres drive, kick out to Enzo. Enzo running shot, no good. Rebound by Marchand. Mateo running shot, basket is good. Ayan na, mabasa dalawa ang Kalamangan. Boss, 34. Di ba 34? Di 34? Coach, tama yung score?
Cannot allow that space, those rebounds.
Correction, 32-40.
Stay!
Calling sa ating official. Para may konting kano dun ha. Correction. Tingnan natin sa live. Ayan na. Oo. Ito sa foul. Marchand. Pass to Enzo, bounce pass, Paulino, too strong. Rebound by Serafica. Number 33, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Paulino. Go! Yao, running shot, miss, rebound. By Mateo, good. Enzo, good hustle by Mateo. Steal by Serafica. Boy. Number 26, pass to number 25. Running shot, no good. Rebound by Torres. And out of bounds. Texon, nagmamadali. Texon. Pinasa. Back to Texon. Texon to Torres. Torres, sidestep and one. Counted. Basket count and one for Torres. Go, sub! Ano ba sub, di ba?
Go, malaki!
Sub! Pasok na pare, Stephen. Let's go! 34-40. Basket for Torres. Down by 5. Oh, munti ka na maagawan. Ay na. Tadeo will recover. Uy, double! Walang tawag. Ate referee. Rebound by Torres. Torres, nagmamadali. 3 against 1. Torres, all the way, and one! 37, 40, down by 3.
Gab! Gab, sino sa'yo, Gab?
Let's go, Xavier.
Sino sa'yo?
Time remaining 6 minutes and 35 seconds.
Gab! Power! GB! Power, Dolera! Power, Dolera! Dolera, Dolera!
Second shot, miss. Out of bounds.
Match up, match up, match up! Choke, choke, choke! Early work! Stephen, early work! Early work, Stephen! Early work! Early work! Stephen! Stephen! Stephen, harap ka, harap! Report, yan! Stephen, tinitikitan!
6 minutes and 33 seconds. Bola rito ng Ateneo. Palma. Pass to Tyler. Pinigay. Number 24 to Tyler. Serafica with an easy 2 points. Torres. Pass to Moore. Moore caught. Too strong. Rebound. Stephen miss. Another rebound. Stephen miss. Rebound ng Ateneo. Outlet pass. Palma to Enriquez. Enriquez with a strong drive. Walang tawag. Whoa! But there's a foul. Sub. Go. Sub. Go. Enriquez shooting for 2. Basket. 43-37. Second shot is good. 44-37. Bad pass. Substitution.
40 sa'yo, 40!
Bola rito ng Ateneo. Pinasa kay Enriquez. Easy 2. Grabe, ang tangkad ni ang laki nito, Enriquez. Labas, yun, naitawid. Merchant, running shot, short. Out of bounds.
Early work, Magnus! Early work!
Steal by Torres. Pope all the way. Basket. Let's go, defense! Babasa pito ang lamang ng Ateneo. Bad pass. Let's go. 4 minutes and 34 seconds.
Get over!
Cheng, pass to Mateo. Mateo spin. Pass to Pope. Torres drive, floater, short. Rebound, Ateneo. Number 26, pass to Tadeo. To Enriquez. Enriquez miss. Another rebound. Number 40. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Torres. Torres. Hesi. Naitawid. Pass to Mateo. Mateo drive, floater, miss, rebound. Titan Palma. Pass number 26, running shot and gets the foul. By Pope Torres. Liao coming in. Castro, wala, rebound, Enriquez, nabitawan, good hustle, ayun na, nagagawan, makukuha ni Paulino, pass to Torres, outlet pass, pinagay, nakulustan, nakuha ng Ateneo, ayun na, ang mga nakaputi, pinagay, Palma, pass to number 26, steal by Torres, let's go Torres, outlet pass to Enzo. No good. Rebound by Torres. Bounce pass, steal by number 28. Pass to number 26, outlet pass to number 39. Drive, block from behind, rebound. Pinagay kay Palma, 4-2. Basket is good. 48-39. Balik sa Siyamang Kalamangan. Correction ng balik sa Siyamang Kalamangan. Oh! Sub. And that's an 8-second shot clock violation. Two minutes and 30 seconds. Bola rito ng Xavier. Ateneo rather. Let's go, Xavier. Ayun na. Nigay, number 26 at the post. Enriquez. Spin. Tumira, too strong. Rebound by the Xavier. Andres. May tanga na bola. Right away. Andres, nagpapadali. Nigay. There's a foul. Timeout. Rep, timeout. Timeout. Sige. Sige lang. Alright, back to the ball game. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Sese Running shot. Wow! 41-48. Spin, kick out. And that's a traveling violation. Time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds. Oh, steal. Number 30 and score. Steal. Number 28, sa loob, Enriquez. Running shot, no good. Rebound by Texon. Pass to Cheng. Poblador, catch and shoot, short. Texon, miss. Rebound again by Texon. Pass to Andres, running shot, basket. 43-50, down by 7. Oh, steal by Cese, steal by Palma. Oh. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 50-43, 7-point lead for Ateneo.
Dami kliyente.
Ha?
Dami kliyente ni Idol.
Ano?
Dami kliyente.
Hindi oh. Hindi naman. Let's go. Back to the ball game. We're going to the fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya tatanghaling kampiyon this season? Let's go. Let's go, Xavier. Steal by Mateo. Marchand, cross. Kick out. Texon, drop pass. Nice move by Stephen Legarda. Oy, that's a traveling double dribble.
Diyan ko pa
Dito lang sa dulo kasi mapapagalitan tayo dito. Hanggang dito lang tayo. Okay. Let's go! Andyan. Hoy, Andres, let's go! Good! And that's a backcourt violation. 9 minutes and 14 seconds. Ateneo basketball. Serafica. Pass number 25. Catch and shoot. Basket. Torres running shot and one. By Paul Torres. Let's go.
Box, ay easy to lera.
Bonus shot is good. 48-52.
Enzo, quito, poke, Tadeo.
Number 36. Bad pass. Forty-eight, 52. Eight minutes and 31 seconds. Sabres School basketball. Let's go. Mateo running shot and one. Para kay Mateo Merchant. Let's go. Down by 2. 52-50. Dalawa na lang ang ating inahabol. Bonus shot for Mateo Merchant for a 3-point play. Let's go, Mateo. Bam! Ayan na. Isa na lang ang ating inahabol. Let's go, Xavier. Palma. Double. 8 seconds. Uli. 8 seconds. Steal by Mateo. Mateo nagpapadali. Side step. Floater. Wala. Rebound. Let's go, defense. Ateneo with a cross. Here comes Tadeo. Back to number 40. To Tyler. Serafica. Spin. 40 with drive. Oh. 54-51. Ayan na ang Xavier. Sheng. Running shot, no good. Rebound by Serafica. Pass number 40 to number 25. Catch and shoot, miss. Out of bound. Let's go. Sabres School basketball. Andres, pass to Torres. Torres, running shot. Bam! Let's go. 54-53. Ayan na. Binigay, number 25. No good. Rebound. Serafica miss. Rebound. Number 33. No good. Rebound. Makuha ni Enzo. Yao nagmamadali. Yao derecho. Walang tawag ang ating referee. Rebound ang ating Deo. Ay na nagmamadali dito. Palma. Wicked steal. naka-recover ang Ateneo. Pass number 40. Uy. Good hustle by Steven. Pass to Enzo. Enzo, nagmamadali. Cross. Enzo, drive. No good. Rebound ng Ateneo. Number 33. Pass number 55. Number 25, nabitawan. Number 33 will recover. There is a foul.
Okay lang yan, bawi, bawi.
First shot, no good. Second shot, basket. Oh, nice shot by Pope Torres. What a nice move. Down by one. Huli. Steal by Texon. Texon. Hand off to Pope. Torres, ni diskarte. Cross. Pass to Poblador. Binigay. Mateo for 3. Yes! Para sa tres! By Mateo. Marchan. Ayan na. Huli. Change favor. Lamang na ang ating savior. Ayan na. Binigay. Serafica. Oh! At may sagot rin dito ang Ateneo. Tabla tayo sa 58. And one. Wala, rebound by Andres. Ay na nagagawan. Torres with a double team. Binigay. Texon. Spin. Pass to Torres. Torres to Andres. Setting on the play. Back to Torres. Torres bounce pass. Stephen. Too strong. Rebound. Texon. Basket yan. Fourth Texon. 60. 58. Ay na ang double team. Ay na, binigay. Serafica at the high post. Back to Serafica. Binigay. Number 26, 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Texon. Let's go. Uy, bad pass. Steal by Enriquez. Binigay ng corner. Enriquez. Oh! But there's a foul. Time remaining for 3 minutes and 46 seconds. There's a foul. Number 37, wala. Serafica miss. Rebound by Torres. Torres, nagmamadali. Torres, running shot, no good. Rebound by Tadeo. Ayan na si Tadeo. Binigay to number 26. To Palma, catch and shoot. Wala, rebound. 3 minutes and 9 seconds. First shot is good. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Correction. Second shot, miss. Rebound. Nabasa isang lamang ng ating Xavier. Andres to Torres. Torres, kick out. Marchand, 4-3, short. Rebound by Enriquez. Pass to Tadeo. Tadeo to number 26. Back to Tadeo. Tadeo. Enriquez, umatake, sidestep, wala, rebound by Marchand. Marchand to Torres. Torres. Ross. Torres. Essie. Torres pin. Torres drive, sidestep. Uy! Wala! Rebound ng Ateneo. Tadeo, pass number 26. Sail. Bite. Oh! Good defense. Time remaining, almost 1 minute and 57 seconds. Let's go. Let's go, Xavier. 1 minute and 57. That's a travel.
Hey, come on, let's go. Let's stop.
1 minute and 51. Isolation play, number 40, binigay. Enriquez with a strong drive. Ang laki ni Enriquez doon. Mateo. Didiscarte. Bounce pass. Mateo. Side step by Pope and gets the foul. Two shots para kay Pope Torres. First shot is good. Tabla tayo sa 61.
Left time out namin.
Second shot is good. Change favor. Lamang na tayo ulit ng isa. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Tadeo. Derecho. Too strong. Rebound. Uy! Good defense. Let's go. 1 minute and 16. Poblador, pass to Torres. Torres with a Hesi. Step back to short. Rebound. Out of bounds. Last 59 seconds. Almost ang 1 minute na lamang po ang natitira. Uy! Good hustle. Ayan na. Tadeo binigay. Serapika block. And there's a foul by Pope Torres. That is fourth personal foul. Warning. Last 50 seconds. First shot is good. Second shot for Serapika. Uy! Change favor. Balik ang Kalamangan. Ayan na. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. Ang seconds na lamang po natitira. Let's go. Ooh! That's a travel. Time out. Ateneo. Correction, all 62. Let's go, Xavier. Ayan, oh. Let's go! Tabla tayo sa all 62. 41.96 seconds remaining. Let's go, one stop or a two stop. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Tingnan natin ano magiging play. 41 seconds. Bola ranks Ateneo. Sharing on the screen. The guy, Enriquez. Oh, steal. Texon, let's go, Xavier. Let's go. Poblador. Matangan ng bola, binigay. Merchant, 4-3. Short. Rebound, makakuha. Texon. Texon with the Hesi. Pass to Torres. Torres. Cross-court pass. Bigay. Texon, last 10 seconds. Marchand, 4-3. Short. Let's go. Time out. Ateneo. 6.92 seconds. Tablata pa rin tayo sa 62. Depensa ngayon tayo rito for a one stop. Let's go. You know. Matt.
Stop, boys! One stop! Come on, one stop, boys! Kahit ano mangyari dyan. Ang double na kagad dyan.
Let's go for a one stop or a steal para sa ating Xavier. Masusubukan ng ating depensa. 6 na segundo lamang po para sa championship game. Magkakaroon kaya tayo ng overtime or a buzzer beater? Sino kaya ang magwawagi ng kampyonato ngayong season? March 22, 2026, matutunghayan natin ang isang napaka-historic na laban. Last 6 seconds, 62 all. Bola ng Ateneo. Let's go. Oy! Munti ka na! Good defense. Last 4 seconds. Substitution, number 24 coming in. 4 na segundo. Let's go. Oh! Last 3. Same ball. Last 3. Ay na, sino tatanggap? Binigay. Titira sa 3. Wala! Rebound! Uy! We have an overtime! Tabla tayo sa 62. Magkakat muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa second half with the overtime. Grabe yun.